Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this with me. Hi. So Luna, again, PCOS update. Okay. Oh my God. Last week was embarrassing for me. So I told you guys that I started taking metformin at the start of July, right? And I'm just gonna get ready. Okay, all right. So at the start of July, I started taking metformin and my myocriolD and inositol. So yeah, so that was happening. And on Saturday, as I say, I work out a lot. You see me, I'm getting ready for Aqua Fitness. I'm gonna go teach it. And all of a sudden I felt something weird down there. But I thought, it's normal lady stuff. So I just kept going. And what was embarrassing is, my menstrual cycle started 2 weeks early. You know what I mean? I don't want to say it out loud because I'm trying to keep this clean. Thank God. Oh my, thank God that my class was full of ladies, and these ladies have, seen it all, been all, and I have never, I love the energy I have been receiving lately. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God. Thank you, divine. Thank you, creator. Whatever names you call it, okay? I am so grateful, so grateful that they were there to support me. They said, Luna, don't worry. You're a girl. It's okay. Go, keep going. Work out. Teach that class. Go. And I did. I didn't jump anymore because the more I jumped, the more blood came, and I was like, ugh. So inside, I was feeling mortified. But outside, my mask was a smile, was a brave face, and my class just kept supporting me. And I love you guys for that. But just wanted to give you a heads up. We ladies, we need to support ourselves more for that. I mean, it was embarrassing for me, no lie. I didn't have a pad on because I wasn't prepared. Wasn't prepared for that girl to come in. Hova wasn't prepared for Miss Flo to be like, hey, I'm here. And boy, was it visible. Every time I jumped, it was visible. So I had to contain myself. And, so now my class didn't have the high energy I, usually give. And that inside made me feel worse. And it just kept getting worse and worse. But on my outside, I was just showing more and more and more enthusiasm, right? And yes, ladies, I'm not gonna lie to you here and tell you, put on that brave face. No. But I was so grateful, so very, very grateful for that support that those ladies gave to me, because it allowed me to feel, this is normal. No shame. There was no shame in this. And the more people I explained what happened on Saturday, they were like embracing me and said, there's no shame. No worry about it. No shame. Don't be so hard on yourself. And it brings me to tears. Why? Okay. When I was younger, that didn't happen. I was teased. I was embarrassed. I was told, what do you mean you weren't prepared? You should have that all the time. Don't you track it? Don't you track it on your calendar? And here's the thing, I do. I have been tracking this bad boy, bad girl, whatever. I've been tracking her for years, okay? And so I know, clockwork, I know if something's off, if she's not on, something's off. Either it's good news or not, something's off. If she's extra heavy, which is what she usually is does to me, and I know that's part of my PCOS, so she's just a wonderful heavy little girl. And no, it's not fun. Lots and lots of pain. I know. If she's extra heavy and extra painful, I know. If she's extra light, I celebrate, but I know. Do you understand? You get what I'm saying? Okay. We ladies, I was crying for numerous reasons. One, the support I got. Man, can I have that? Can I have more? Can I have more of that? Because that was like phenomenal, okay? Second, we need to talk about this as we get older, because no one talked about this with me. No one ever said, well, when you're on medication, especially this medication that I'm on with metformin, extended release, by the way, it might happen. You might get it more often. You might get it heavier. It might come by surprise. It might not be your normal. It will become your normal, but it's not your normal. No one ever talked about how heavy periods can be for me, or how painful they can be for me. It was like, it's just part of the human existence of being a woman, but didn't explain how it can be different. I always thought that periods were double offer, like you can't walk, your back is broken, your legs are broken, your mind is not of your own, you have double feelings. I felt so many things. So yeah, I think we need to talk more about this. Can we have a women's club? Huh? Maybe. But that was just my experience this week. I am finally feeling a little bit better and free. My stomach is going down. It's not as bloated as it used to be. Not just because Aunt Flo decided to take a vacation again, but the metformin is getting my insulin to work and to be processed more efficiently, I should say. I think the inositol's helping too. But I don't know what to say. I'm at a loss for words. A lot of things happened in this 1 week, and I felt many different feelings, and I just wanted to share that with you on this PCOS journey I'm having. Don't worry, I'll start putting out some motivational stuff again. This week I had to stay back this week, guys. I'm sorry. I was in a lot of pain, and it was not my normal for me. And that's my journey for PCOS. It may be different for you. And oh my God, I hope it's different for you. I really do. But let me know what's going on with you. What are your thoughts? Love you guys.